So we climbed up the wall, or you can go up the tree. Some sort of fort. Some sort of bunker maybe? I really don't know. If we go to the other side, we can check out a nice 360 view. Boom. It's quite a long drop from here. It's just a bunch of pinnacles down there, and everywhere you look is all water beyond the island country. It's all good. You can see there's Buada district over there because that's the place that has all of the coconut trees, and it's more lush over there with the lagoon. There's the rubbish dump that they're burning a lot of the rubbish or trash for you Americans. Yeah, just leftover pinnacles from the mining from years gone. So yeah. This is Nauru. Nauru in a 360 view. There's the gun right there.